many interesting geological and scientific discoveries and had many narrow escapes throughout the whole time. We hauled half our load for a mile, then we walked back a mile, and then we hauled the other half up. So for every mile we gained to the south, we had to cover 3 to do it. And slowly we arose up the largest and the longest glacier in the world.
Yeah, well, guess what, children? It did take a couple of weeks of organization, but we arranged for you to go to the right today.
But why?
To watch a boring documentary.
And how did you feel?
I felt very bored.
And then what happened?
And then you screamed out, told us we go to Ski Divide, and then...
And how do you feel now? Teamwork, Anthony, well done. You lie down flat, you can't, you've got to sit down like this and look at the floor. Go like this, and then go like that. Big. Right, do we have a snow angel? Hop up, let's see your snow angel. Go. Girls, you excited?